Hello guys, Brad here again, another fragrance review. Today I want to take a look at another fragrance from my Abbott Exploration Select set. And this one is called Crescent Beach, which is an amber floral, came out in 2022. Four notes are listed. Top notes of peony, middle notes of lily, and in the base musk and amber. So this fragrance was inspired by summers spent among the flowers and breezes in the New York Hamptons. Evokes fresh laundry drying beside fields of flowers mixing with salty ocean breezes. So that sounds really nice. But as the note suggests, very floral, very feminine. So if you're a guy and you got the Discovery set, this one is probably one that you might want to pass off to the girlfriend or the wife. I know a lot of guys might like their fragrances with a heavy dose of floral in there, but I'm not really into that. It's certainly on the feminine side of unisex, best case scenario. I would argue that if this was a designer fragrance, like a typical designer fragrance, like a Christian Dior or David Off or Tommy Hilfiger, it would certainly be in the women's section, not the guys section. So what I get here, sort of like this pink floral smell with the amber in there, gives it a sweetness, and with the musk, it's just like a very laundry fresh musk. So like it says, it kind of gives it that fresh laundry on the line kind of a smell. Imagine the breeze coming off the lake in the spring or summertime, mixing with the fabric softeners of the drying clothing on the laundry line, kind of a thing. Yeah. And if you told me there was a raspberry note in here, I wouldn't argue it. Could be something along those lines. It does smell very pink, very floral, not overly fruity, but I wouldn't argue a touch of a fruit in there from like a raspberry or other pink berry type fruit. I think it's a nice fragrance, but mostly for a woman. A guy, I would probably not recommend it unless you're into women's fragrances. I could see this being like a Tommy Hilfiger or a David Off or maybe in a Victoria's Secret type fragrance. So I'm not sure if this smells like an expensive fragrance to my nose. It smells like a $35, $40 fragrance to my nose. But let me get into some final scores. For a guy, I'm going to give this one a 2 out of 10 because I would feel very uncomfortable smelling like this. It's not your typical masculine type thing with the oak moss and the patchouli and all that. It's more of like florals, the pink stuff. On a woman though, I'm probably like an 8 out of 10. So yeah, if you're a woman and you happen to come across some Abbott fragrances, I think Crescent Beach is the one that you're going to want to check out if you love the just very safe and tried and true floral type fragrances. Projection longevity, okay, 4 to 6 hours, 7 out of 10. Versatility, 7.5 out of 10. Definitely more of a day wear fragrance for spring and summer. Casual wear, office wear, just doing errands on the weekend, that type of thing. Uniqueness, 6.5 out of 10. I don't think it really comes across as anything that you haven't smelled already. Price point, $88 will get you the 50 ml. For my score, though, on a guy, I'm about 2 out of 10. I just don't think this is something that most guys are going to have in their collection. Definitely worth checking out if you have the sample set. Maybe wear it one day when you're not going to work or around a lot of people that are going to judge you. If you're a woman, though, 8 out of 10. I think it's perfectly fine if you're a woman to smell like this. It would probably get you a compliment or two. Might turn a few heads. Might get you a phone number or something. But I don't know. If you're a guy, I don't know. It might get you a weird look. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.